Bolton outside the United States mission to the UN. Many details are still unclear at this point, but we can now confirm that State Department Diplomatic Security Service Special Agent Frank Barrows was shot and killed today at Queens Hill Cemetery during a stakeout to capture fugitive Mark Sheridan, the prime suspect in 2 murders at the United Nations 6 months ago. Though unconfirmed by the Diplomatic Security Service, sources at the scene report that Barrows may be implicated with Sheridan in the selling of top-secret documents to the Chinese government. Deputy U.S. Marshal Noah Newman was also shot and killed as Sheridan eluded police in a spectacular escape, leaping onto the roof of a moving subway, then stealing a car.
He won't say anything except 2 words, diplomatic immunity. All we can do is deport him. Antonio Kimber, apparently one of our kites. He said he was instructed to make the exchange phone records check out. He was paged from Barrow's office number this morning.
He didn't cheat, he didn't lie, he didn't use me. I let him go.
Thank you, Linda. More news in less time every time.
Sam? Sam, I'm so sorry.
Sam, we found an abandoned blue car in an industrial park on the Jersey side of the Holland Tunnel. This was in the front seat. Guess what? We got half a latent. Sheridan's right index.
Good work, Henry.
Sir, is there something I can help you find?
Tetralyzine for motion sickness.
Hello?
Cosmo?
Where the hell are you?
Put Kim on.
Kim. Line 2. Hold on.
Kim,
Are there any cruise lines shipping out of those docks where we found that blue car?
only freighters and containers.
Any of those freighters have passenger berths?
Well, I don't know. I'll check.
All right, Social Shipping has a freighter, the Ute Vinky. It's loading grain at the Bayonne docks. It's leaving tonight. 3 passengers. They don't have any names. They said immigration didn't require it. It's heading up through Canada.
Can you get me a helicopter to 59th Street pad?
You got it.
Where's he going? Wait a minute. Let me call Bayonne PD for backup.
I don't need him.
And I'm going with you.
I'm going alone.
What the hell is the matter with you? Look, Sam, you can't do this. I know how you feel. I feel the same way. I love that kid too, but this is wrong. I'm telling you, this is a friend.
I'm not your friend.
Fine, forget it. You want to kill Sheridan, you go ahead, you do it. But you remember this, you forget every goddamn thing you ever taught me about this job. The rules, the regulations, the code. You do this, Sam, and it's all about you. It's not about Newman anymore, it's about you. The great Sam Gerard.
Yes,